Hi guys, number 11, quick draw 2. Oh, I see. This is something I said on the previous one. We needed somebody to automatically start it for us. On the previous one, you had to have somebody say go, and then the two of you had to try and fire first by connecting the wires together. You'll have to watch the previous one to see what I'm waffling on about. So, circuit number 11, quick draw 2. Let's go for it. Oh, there's a lot of wires here. 6 to 4. This looks like one of the most complicated one so far. 6 to 4 to 58. 58. Can we do that? Let's push our luck a bit. It just reaches. 6 to 4, 58 to 118. There. If you've been watching the previous episodes, you'll know that I do actually tend to fast forward these a little bit. Because I know I talk slowly anyway, so if I double speed it, you hardly notice it. But instead of being a 20-minute video, it's only a 10-minute video. Oh, I don't want to go in there. Come on. 118 to 126. To 122. To 119. 119. 118. 119. That's 119. 122 to 119. To 84. I'm just wondering if people hadn't noticed that I'd fast forwarded the previous videos. I do put fast forward in writing up in the corner of the screen to let you know that it's fast forward. As I say, because I talk so slowly, double speed hardly notices. 81 to 167. That's going to be an LED, isn't it? Isn't it? No, it's not. On off switch. 81. That'll have to be a red one. 81 to 167. Right, 8 to 161. That's going to be a blue one, I think. 8 to 161 to 163. 10 to 155. That's another LED. To 157. Okay. 11 to 158. That one. 12 to 27. 27 to 83. There, red one. To 106. 18 to 43. That's going to have to be a red one. To 115. Red one. To 133. White one. Double check 115 to 133. 115 to 133. To 129. To 168. 20 to 44. That's going to be a red one. 20. 44 to 80. White one. Double check. 44 to 80. 44. 80. And 80 to 101. Okay. 80 to 101. Done it. 28 to 79. 28. 79. 28, 79, 32 to 82, red one. To 102, white one. Just going to double check we're actually filming. Yes, we are actually filming. I do get this panic that I'm halfway through and we're not filming. 60, battery, 140. All the way over there, so we've got to use a long yellow wire. Okay, 107 to 114. White one. 114, 107. 108 to 109. 108, 109. 110 to 117. Across there. 110, 117. To 148. Oh, that's on the display. 117 to 148. That's going to be a blue one. 148, 117. To 145. Across there. Right, 145 to 146. To 147. 111 to 116. 112 to 123. 112 to 123. 123 to 121. 121 to 154. There, red one, I think. 121 to 154. 113 to 124. So getting a bit tight. 113 to 124 to 130. To 162. 162, that'll be a red one. 0 to 162. 120 to 156. Down there, red one. 156. 120. 125 to 160. 125 to 160. 3 to 132. Oh gosh. The blue one's not going to reach there, is it? No, it's got to be a yellow one. I think we're short of these yellow ones. I think we should have a couple more. I can always make some, I suppose. 3 to 132. And then to a long wire. Blue. Okay. 127 to 5. I'll just reach. 127 to 5. To a long wire, yellow. Okay. Long wire yellow to 31. And from 31 to 17. And from 17 to 19. And from 19 to 7. From 7 to 9. from 9 to 141. 9 to 141. 9 to 141. 141 to 144. 144 to 159. 159 to 128. 128 to 131. 131 to 134. 134 to 105. 134 to 105. And then 105, a long wire blue. So that's our two blue long wires. Just twist them so I can find them. And that was our two long yellow wires. Right. Now, turn the knob on. Yeah. And we've got lots of lights on. LEDs 3, 5 are on. That's LED 3. That's LED 5. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. And LED 4, when it lights, let's go light wordy. Right, you got a wire wrong somewhere then. I'll show you the LEDs in it. What's on? 4 should be light. No, it's light, it's already light. No, got something wrong. Okay, that's okay. 6 to 4 to 58 to 18 to 126 to 122 to 19 24 21 to 167 8 blue one 8 161 163 yeah 10 155 155 157 11 and there 158 12 27 23 106 18 43 43 115 115 133 133 129 129 168 that's okay 20 to 44 yes 44 to 80 80 to 101 28 79 32 to 82 to 102 60 to 140 107 to 104 108 to 109 110 to 117 to 148 to 145 to 146 to 147 101 to 116 112 to 123 to 121 to 154 113 to 124 to 130 to 162 120 to 156 125 to 160 3 to 132 to 1 127 to 5 127 to 5 to 1 yes 31 no that's right lower 31 17 19 7 9 141 144 159 128 131 134 no more that's all right let's stop working switch off again no I still checked I can see nothing wrong on the camera so you can see what's right right we've got 3 LEDs on there 3 4 5 if we cheat and touch the lights in advance then well, touch the lights 3 to do and touch the lights there but we did it 4 well the 4 switch light and the 4 staying on it's confusing things so that's easy anything happens clear it that's not in there let's touch together now 5 change 6 that is working clear it we need some we can see them touch together and 3 changes 2 so that is working but what should be happening is 4 should be on we have 3 and 5 watch out for the LED 4 wait lights that's when you touch together but 4 is running on them 4 is LED light up if the player touches this why is it 4 LED 4 lights up F for foul is on the display and LED 2 is which player too soon it's already so the question is why is 4 coming on when it should do well that was fun but I managed to find the fault so if I press press that, number 4 goes out. And after a few seconds, it comes back on again. And what it was the connections to that capacitor were not good enough. That capacitor is the one that does the timing. So what I did was I traced back LED number 4. On here is that red wire. Sorry, well, it is that red wire, but it's also the other side of it is the blue wire. The blue wire goes over to 11 there. And I found if I disconnected it, oh, we're knocking a few wires there, but if I disconnected 4 up there, then we could kill the LED, and I worked my way back through the circuit, following the sequence, and I couldn't find any way of cutting it off. It kept going. So I thought, well, hang on a minute, that's the only capacitor. Have we got another 100 microfarad one? And the one in front of it is also 100 microfarad. Hang on, lost focus. So I thought if I swap that one to that one just by moving the wires across, it then started working properly. I then went back to check and put it back on there, and it still worked properly. So I think it was just the actual wires themselves were not making a good contact. So now it works. So the idea is the two of you watch that, and as soon as the red light comes on, you try and touch together. But if you do it before the red light comes on, then the F comes on. It works. And it tells you that that's the guy that failed or cheated. I don't know if we can do this the other way around. Reset, touch those wires together, did it? Yep. So that time I touched the yellow wires together, which is 3 to 2. Well, that took a bit longer than usual because we had to fault find to find what the problem was. And it wasn't just a wire missing, all the wiring was correct. But we hadn't got a good termination just by taking it apart and putting it back together again, cured it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.